Unlock the future of video creation and transform your ideas into stunning visuals with Nano Banana AI. Today, we're diving deep into how Nano Banana AI's intelligent features can revolutionize your video production, from concept to final cut, making powerful editing accessible to everyone. Our first step is harnessing the AI for scriptwriting. Locate and click the Generate Script option. You'll be prompted to input your video's topic or a brief description. Nano Banana AI will then craft compelling narratives and dialogue tailored to your needs, saving you hours of brainstorming. Once your script is generated, you can easily review and edit it directly within the platform, fine-tune the wording, add your personal touch, or even request alternative phrasing from the AI. This iterative process ensures your message is perfectly communicated. Next, let's talk about automated editing with your script in hand. Select the Automated Editing feature. Nano Banana AI analyzes your script and existing footage, intelligently cutting, arranging, and sequencing clips to match your narrative flow. Watch as the AI seamlessly stitches your video together. It identifies key moments, applies appropriate transitions, and ensures a professional pacing. You can then make minor adjustments to refine the edit to your exact specifications. Elevating your production quality has never been easier thanks to Nano Banana AI's advanced visual effects capabilities. Explore a vast library of AI-driven visual effects, from dynamic text animations and engaging motion graphics to one-click professional color grading. Simply select your desired effect, apply it to your chosen clips, or let the AI suggest the best options based on your content. These features add polish and impact, making your videos stand out. By leveraging Nano Banana AI's script generation, automated editing, and visual effects, you significantly streamline your workflow and produce videos with a professional sheen, all within a single, intuitive platform. Ready to experience the future of video creation? Try Nano Banana AI today.